Spanish moss is a graceful epiphyte that is certainly magnificent to behold. It is made of thin curved leaves that grow together in a chain-like fashion. The result is a cascading waterfall of silver-gray foliage that can be as long as 20 feet. It is often called Grandpa's beard since it looks like a long beard that got caught on a tree. Spanish moss was given its name by French explorers who were reminded of the Spanish conquistadors' long beards when they saw this plant. Although it is not a moss, it is similar to moss in the way that they are both epiphytes. Spanish moss is spiritually and culturally significant to Hawaiians and the southern United States. Hawaiians named this plant Peel's hair after their goddess of volcanoes and fire, and the plant has become associated with Southern Gothic imagery due to its prevalence throughout the southeast United States. Though Spanish moss is primarily cultivated for its ornamental value, it has had many other uses. It has been used as insulation, mulch, packing material, and mattress stuffing. In the early 20th century, it was added to the padding of car seats. Now, Spanish moss is mostly used in landscapes and gardens. It also looks great in dried floral arrangements or in use in craft projects. Growing Spanish moss is fairly easy as it requires little care. It prefers warm climates, so if you live in a cold region, you will need to grow this plant indoors. Place it in an area with bright, scattered light and plenty of ventilation. Since Spanish moss is an epiphyte, it does not require soil. To water the plant, you can soak it in water or mist the plant frequently. Spanish moss is a dramatic and elegant plant that looks amazing in any setting. Luckily, only a little care is required to make this exquisite plant the centerpiece of your landscape.